Hello, and thank you for watching. The VoqX has a headset, a cord, and a chest piece. The headpiece consists of the ear tubes, the on-off button, up and down volume buttons, and the USB port for charging. The chest piece is placed on the patient. It has a touch screen where you can choose the mode of operation on one side. On the other side, there's a transparent diaphragm. Just below the diaphragm is the proximity sensor that automatically detects when the chest piece is placed on the body. To turn on the VoqX, press the on-off button until a blue light indicates on and the Sonoma logo appears on the screen. When using the VoqX, the headset should be held vertically and not horizontally. If you don't wish to place the earpiece in your ears, you can wear the headset around your neck instead. To increase the volume, press the upper volume button. To lower the volume level, press the lower volume button. It is advised not to exceed a volume level of 4. The screen displays the battery level. Please make sure to charge the VoqX when it goes down to 20% of the battery. The screen displays the different modes of operation: heart, lungs. If you wish to exit the mode of operation, press the on-off button once. General mode allows you to listen to the whole range of audible frequencies. Turn the device on or release the device from standby mode by pressing the power button. Select General mode. Place the chest piece on the patient's body using gentle but consistent pressure with the screen facing you. Be careful not to press too hard. It is recommended that the assessment be performed directly on the skin unless the patient's chest is covered in body hair, which could interfere with the test. In that case, the chest piece should be placed over a light shirt. Hold the chest piece firmly around its perimeter while collecting the acoustic data, and do not tilt or move your hand or hold the chest piece at its base. That could lead to artifact noises that will interfere with the embedded classifiers. Neither you nor your patient should speak during the auscultation, just like with a standard stethoscope. Press the center of the screen for 1 second to return to the sound signature image. Toggle between screens by swiping left or right on the display surface. In this mode, the infrasound and audible sounds are shifted to the ear's most sensitive frequency range, providing an exceptional auscultation experience with unmatched clarity and ease of diagnosis. To turn this mode on, slide your finger upwards across the screen. The gray boost indication will be highlighted green. To turn boost mode off, slide your finger upwards across the screen again. The boost indication will return to gray. Boost mode can be turned on throughout all modes of operation without affecting the AI classification. Thank you for watching the videos. We hope you have found them helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us.